In this video, I will show you how to generate over $200 daily with no upfront costs and only free traffic. For now, free or low-cost traffic is the kind of traffic that other websites will send your way. You can use this traffic as is or reinvest it into paid-for traffic strategies. You can make several $100s per day using the technique I'll be demonstrating in this video. And if you're willing to repeat the process many times a week, you can make several $1,000s. So stay tuned and watch till the end of the video because I will show you that making more money is possible without doing much and just letting your links work for you. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So the first thing you should do is visit digistore.com and then register for an account on this site at no cost. We have decided to use Digistore as our platform because they offer immediate approval on many of the payment options for the things we'll be selling. Now, you should head here and select the Register Now button. Select Affiliate rather than Vendor or Vendor and Affiliate if you are just starting, considering that if you go in as an affiliate, you'll be asked fewer questions and be able to complete the sign-up process more quickly. Next, enter your email address and password after choosing a username. Please complete all of these fields. This network is when you'll be paid, so it's important to maintain your credibility while you're here. Put a tick next to this and then click Register for free now after you're finished. After you have logged in and validated your account using your email, navigate to the Marketplace part of Digistore and select All Offers from the drop-down menu. This is where you will be able to select a variety of products to promote as an affiliate and earn commissions for each sale that you produce. I'll now point out the exact item you should purchase. For anything you need right now, from education to email marketing to family and kids. Okay, we have a lot of items right here, but for now, let's just stick with internet marketing and e-business and use the secret millionaire bot. This is the highest converting Make Money Online offer available, and it works with every single sort of traffic. BizOp, personal development, IM, MMO, like nuts. You can make up to $500 per sale. And if you want to share this, just click Promote Now, and your promo link will be generated automatically. Here is your affiliate link, which you should copy and save for later use. What's your experience with the site so far? If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll try our best to respond right away. Now, let's go back. Answer the Public is the name of the next website we'll need. Go to answerthepublic.com and it will essentially generate anything you want in any niche. Simply type in the question you have for your specific niche below. If you're looking for information on, say, how to make money online, then you should select the United States and the English language. Here on the website, the green color indicates the most frequently asked questions. Therefore, they are the most widely used. The response is more popular if it's a darker shade of green, and less popular if it's a lighter shade of green. However, these are the questions that people are most interested in finding answers to right now. So that's where we'll focus our efforts to attract those free visitors. In any given topic, only about 20% of questions get 80% of the search engine traffic. In addition to the fact that 80% of the free traffic will come from those inquiries, I would suggest just picking one of those questions at random. Such keywords like how to earn money online fast, how to make money online legit, and how to make money online for free are all examples of such queries. Take this one as an example. All you need to do is duplicate it. Putting that aside for now, if you found today's video helpful, we'd appreciate if you could give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Let's get back to business. The next site you should check out is called writesonic.com. Writesonic is a free website that does not demand any sort of payment upfront. This is a digital article generator powered by AI that can help you with any topic you can think of, whether it's a magazine story, an article, or a blog entry. When you check the costs, you will notice that we are eligible for a no-risk trial in which you can access the full service for free and have access to all 6,250 words right away. What you'll see when you log into your account looks like this. To be fair, a free account lacks some functionality, but it does provide what we require. This one, for instance, is called Instant Article Writer. Though we are unable to make use of it, we do have access to AI Article Writer 3.0, which provides essentially the same functionality. So go ahead and click it, and then fill in the topic we got from Ask the Public: How to Make Money Online for Beginners. If you use the English language and the premium quality setting, you will receive excellent results. This, however, is also subject to the balance of your credits. If you have more than one Gmail address, you may register many accounts and essentially obtain a premium article for free with each one. It's easier to pay for the service once you're already making money with it than to sign up for a new account every time you want to use it. Choose the option from the list we've provided. I've decided to go with the second option and provide an introduction to it. After deciding which option best suits your needs, you can then produce an outline. A simple click of these buttons over here is all that's required. There is no real mental effort required, and no actual writing is required. Simply pick one of these because that's what they're planning to put in here for you. Next, decide on a structure for your draft. Various parts must be completed before you can move on to writing the final version. Just go ahead and pick the Write Article button, and with just a few mouse clicks, you can now have a fully formed article. For those who have never written an essay before, or who have trouble getting started, this is a great resource. If you're following along, what do you think about the easy money-making technique we have for you today? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you like content like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to not miss out. Now, let's go back to our video. It is time for me to show you the next stage of this technique. You may recall that we copied an affiliate link from digistore.com, don't you? So we have to have it immediately for our next website. The website to visit is vocal.media. This is a platform for publishing your thoughts and experiences and earning a living, not only from the clicks and readers you attract, but from the site's free traffic as a whole. Simply select Join to begin. Pick the sign-up process that best suits you. Stripe is used for payments to creators on Vocal. You can arrange it in a wallet section and then the money will be transferred to you in this way. Just click the button right here to begin the process of creating a story. Feel free to use the title and article we made. And then you can select a picture. Putting this article up will bring in some cash on its own, but here's what you need to do. Please feel free to copy and paste your affiliate link after the initial few paragraphs. Your next step is to revisit Digistore and look at the product sales page once more. This will help us choose the best type of call to action to implement. It's plain to see that these are genuine user reviews. In addition, live social proof is available here. When you've settled on a certain CTA, you can search for an appropriate picture by entering keywords in the box provided and pulling up related results on Unsplash. I like how this is shaping up, so let's go ahead and click Save Changes. Also, many search engines will now index this post and rank it accordingly. It will drive free visitors to your site and potential customers to your affiliate links. Medium.com is another option for posting your content online. My personal use of this website, which has been receiving roughly the same amount of traffic for the past numbers of years, has been entirely hands-free. We can publish articles, and we also have the opportunity to repeat what we did in Vocal Media. Simply paste the article generated by Writesonic and insert your affiliate link between paragraphs. That was a long tutorial, but I hope you followed along well. You can explore more and repeat this process every day using different platforms where you can promote your affiliate link and see how much you can earn in a day. If you enjoyed this video, share with us how you did by mentioning your wins and struggles in using these sites in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our awesome content. Good luck and see you in our next video.